cute. We just got a package from Zezzo. Yay! We just got a package from Zezzo. Man, I cannot wait to unbottle and decipher and open this up. Okay, who is Zezzo? Zezzo is a bedding company that sells high quality bed covers. In fact, these bed covers are 100% cotton. Can you help me spell luxury again? Their bed covers are luxurious. I want to thank Zezzo for sponsoring this video. And guys, guess what? They are not just giving me this bed cover, they also extended the love to you guys. If you use my code THO25 to shop from them, they're going to give you not 10, not 15, not 20, 25% discount. Please, what more? It's almost a giveaway, guys. If I were you, I bought this bed cover already. So let's dive into opening this. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's see what we've got. Can you see the name? This is Zezzo. Wow. If you luxury. So these are the bed covers. Looks weaved. This is really amazing. And this is for my pillow. Did you see this? I told you luxury. This is super dope. The pillow enters in here. Can you see? This is 100% bamboo. This is the bed cover. Wow, this is heavy. Hey, wait. It's the embellishment for me, right? I love all this embellishment. Like, it is so engrafted that, I mean, this is going to be forever. Even though it's silky in texture, you can feel it that this is a very good quality. It is 100% bamboo. Bamboo, cotton, second to none. I'm going to leave the link to Zezzo for you to shop in my description box. All you need to do is get to the website, choose any bed cover of choice, then use my code THO25. You're going to get a 25% discount off of anything you pick. How else do I explain to you guys that this is our year, right? Our year of luxury. So let's go see what this looks like. Can't wait to sleep in the night. Do not forget to check out these bed covers. They're really amazing. I won't lie to you, they are amazing, and they're giving you a 25% discount if you use my code THO25 to shop on their website. And I tell you, you would really love it. I really love it. I can't wait to sleep tonight.